It's ringing in my ears. Shut the hell up! Oh. That's better. Shut up! Sweet little birds. Please, birds. Sweet little birds. Sweet little loud birds. Shut the hell up! Owl, are you alright? I have not been getting much sleep around here. Why not? Because of these little dingbats. These can't even sleep. They can't even follow the rules. I can't even sleep. They should know to keep the noise down at night. But it's morning, Owl. Why don't you come sleep at the pond? It would be much better for you. Because I don't want to sleep at the damn pond. I am ruined. Look, just try your best to keep it down. Please. Okay?